Federal health officials are appealing to pregnant women to get vaccinated against COVID, and they're trying to make the case that the benefits of the vaccine outweigh the known or potential risks. There have been more than 125,000 cases of COVID in pregnant women in the United States, resulting in more than 22,000 hospitalizations and 161 deaths. As Mireya Villarreal reports, the resistance to get vaccinated has brought heartache to some expecting families.
Austin Carrington never pictured a future where he'd be raising his 15-month-old son, Hollis, alone.
It's not easy for you, is it?
No, I miss her so much.
Austin and Bianca Carrington had plans for a big family. They recently found out they were pregnant with their second child when Bianca, who was unvaccinated, was diagnosed with COVID-19.
Looking back on it, I thought we were playing it safe by not getting the vaccine because of the baby, and now turns out getting the vaccine would have been the safe bet.
While sick with COVID, the 29-year-old miscarried. She was later intubated and died August 24th. Her death is just one of the many heartbreaking cases involving expectant mothers. Last month, the CDC received 20 reports of pregnant women who died of COVID. Across the country, nearly 1,000 COVID cases involving a pregnant woman were reported each week during July and August. Still, only about 30% of pregnant women are fully vaccinated.
Is there any doubt in your mind that those deaths could have been prevented if these mothers had been vaccinated?
Oh, there's no doubt in my mind. We didn't have to lose the mothers we lost.
Dr. Rachel Morris is a high-risk OBGYN at the University of Mississippi Medical Center. In nearly 4 weeks, her hospital lost 5 pregnant women, all of them unvaccinated.
I have never in my career been this afraid for the patients I care for. It's my job. It's my calling, but it's not supposed to be this way.
Okay, here we are, day 59. Since my wife contracted COVID-19 and gave birth at 38 weeks.
Jamal Chubb has been documenting on social media his wife Sierra's battle with COVID. Back in July, she was pregnant with their third child when she contracted the virus.
Sierra did not get the vaccination because at the time, we did not have the CDC come out and say they recommended it for pregnant women, and it wasn't FDA approved yet.
The CDC recommended pregnant women get the vaccine in August, after Sierra was already hospitalized.
I do wish we had the information we have now. Wish we had that sooner.
Sierra's still in the hospital on a ventilator, but she's improving, and Jamal is hopeful she'll be able to come home soon. Baby Miles is also doing well. We shared Austin Carrington's story with Jamal.
He's living every significant other's worst nightmare right now.
Whoa, look. I don't want any other pregnant women to pass away because of it. I couldn't think of anyone worse to lose.
For CBS Mornings, Mireya Villarreal, Arlington, Texas.
It is one thing to miscarry. That's tough enough, but to lose your life, your wife, I can't imagine it.
I know a lot of moms to be agonized over this at the beginning because they didn't know whether the vaccination was right, but now the evidence seems pretty clear that it's the right thing to do.
And if that doesn't get the message through, I don't know what will for some of these women and these families out there. Mireya, wonderful report.